How to fix Google Voice not available in your country. If you are seeing the message Google Voice not available in your country, here are some ways so you can fix it. First of all, use a VPN. So install a VPN. Download a VPN app on your device such as ExpressVPN, NordVPN, or TunnelBear. Connect to a supported country. So set the VPN to a country where Google Voice is available, like the United States. Then once connected, visit the Google Voice website or open the app to see if it's available in that location. If you're outside the US, try getting a US phone number using services like TextNow or Google Fi if available. Once you have a US number, sign up for Google Voice and link your US phone number to it. You should now be able to use Google Voice to make calls, send texts, and more. If you're still facing issues, double check if Google Voice is officially supported in your country. You can check the Google Voice help page for an updated list of supported regions. If Google Voice still isn't working in your country, consider using alternatives like Skype, TextNow, or RingCentral, which offers similar calling and messaging services. And that's how you can fix the Google Voice not available in your country issue. Thanks for watching.